Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about something that I'm sure all of you know or have used in the past. So I actually do have allergies, but not really like enough that I need to be on medication or anything. I'll just get like a little bit of, symptoms here and there, stuffy nose, discomfort. Benadryl it's funny, it's actually the first time I'm taking this, and I took it last night to help me sleep. So I've been having a really hard time falling asleep. It's horrible. I hate it because then I just like lay in bed and kind of every time I look at the clock I just watch the time pass and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna be miserable tomorrow. And that's like all that I could think to myself. So I wanted to try this out because my friend, she's a nurse, and I was telling her about my issue and she goes, take Benadryl, I swear by it. I'm like, I tried other things to sleep. I tried melatonin because it's like more natural. Let's see, I've tried even like Xanax to help me sleep, and that should really help, and that just doesn't really help me. This actually works better for me than anything else, strictly for falling asleep. So it's kind of nice because it's like, well, it's bad in a way because it's like, okay, then you can't take it during the day because it'll make you tired, but it'll help with your allergies. So like, I just think this is great at nighttime, something to help you sleep and something to also help with allergies at the same time. So it is, I'm gonna say this wrong, but Diphenhydramine. It's an antihistamine, HCI 25 milligrams. I guess that's the active ingredient that helps you sleep. And I've heard that the new, I guess it's been around for a little bit, but ZzzQuil is a product that is like also made with this active ingredient, and that is just made for sleeping purposes. But I heard like people are like, oh, well, take Benadryl because it's cheaper and makes more sense than buying the ZzzQuil, which is just repackaged. But I don't know, I was at the drugstore and I noticed they were both around the same price, Benadryl and ZzzQuil. So I guess if you have allergies and you're having trouble sleeping, then I would go with the Benadryl. If it's just for sleep purposes, I guess you could go for ZzzQuil. It's for sneezing, itchy watery eyes, runny nose, itchy throat. This is the actual size of the pills. I got the box that comes with 48 tablets. Ultratabs, small tablet size. Drug facts. Active ingredient, the one on the front. Diphenhydramine, HCI 25 milligrams. Purpose, antihistamine. Uses, temporarily relieves these symptoms due to hay fever or other upper respiratory allergies. Runny nose, sneezing, itchy watery eyes, itching of the nose or throat. Temporarily relieves these symptoms due to the common cold. Runny nose and sneezing. Warnings: do not use to make a child sleepy. Don't give to a child or with any other product containing diphenhydramine, even one used on skin. Ask a doctor before use if you have glaucoma, a breathing problem such as emphysema or chronic bronchitis, trouble urinating due to an enlarged prostate gland. Ask a doctor or pharmacist before use if you are taking sedatives or tranquilizers. When using this product, marked drowsiness may occur. Avoid alcoholic drinks. Alcohol, sedatives, and tranquilizers may increase drowsiness, and be careful when driving a motor vehicle or operating machinery. Accessibility may occur, especially in children. And I just wanted to mention I'm going on a long flight tomorrow. It's like a 9-hour flight, so it's like it leaves at 5 o'clock, and then when I fly, I'm actually flying to Rome. It will be 8:30 a.m. when I arrive, and I'm gonna have to, like, we have a tour book this a couple hours after we get off the flight, so there's gonna be no time to sleep. So I do want to make sure that I sleep on the plane, so I'll be taking 2 of these to help with that, and I'm sure my husband will be too, because we also get like a little nervous on or before a flight, and this will just help to like relax you and make you sleepy. Directions: take every 4 to 6 hours or as directed by a doctor. Do not take more than 6 times in 24 hours. Adults and children 12 and over, 1 to 2 tablets. Children 6 to under 12 years, 1 tablet. Children under 6 years do not use. Other information: each tablet contains calcium 15 milligrams. Store between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Protect from light. Do not use if carton is opened or if blister unit is broken. Then it has the inactive ingredients listed and number for questions or comments. And then I just wanted to show you, there was a couple packs of these in there. It's 48 tablets. Small, easy to swallow, tastes disgusting if you leave it in your mouth without swallowing it right away, which I did last night. I don't know, I put them in my mouth and then I got the water later. Or not later, like a few seconds after, but still, like, oh, it leaves a disgusting taste in your mouth. So have water on hand to take this with right away. Expires October 19th, so a year from now. You just fold this and pull it, and super easy to take out. I did that before I had my nails on, and even with that, it was easy to get these out. So super easy to use pack. So guys, that's Benadryl allergy medicine, antihistamine. Take it for your allergies or to help you get a good night's rest. Thank you for watching.